What's up, guys? I Fix It in Your Face. Don't forget, I have a Facebook that you guys can join if you have questions about anything in the video or anything in regards to anything motorcycle, scooter, fix-it stuff. Join my Facebook. It's an easy way to get in contact with me and get you the help you need. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, all that good stuff, man. I make these videos for you guys. I don't make them for me. You can help me by dropping a subscription. Join the Facebook. I'm telling you, man, join the Facebook. If you're trying to get in contact with me, it's the easiest way to do it. Okay? Don't forget, everything you need is in the description below of the video. Let's get started.
All right, so for those of you guys who have never seen one of these before, this is what we call a fuel injection pulser. I've pulled the fuel injector out of this bike, and all I do now is tap the positive side really quickly, right? Tap, 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 while I spray the carb cleaner through the bottom of the jet side. So I push this down and I hold it in. I gotta flip this around, but basically I hold it like this. My fingers on that side, like that, right? And I hold it together, try to make a good seal while lightly pushing down. And as I'm pushing down, I'm gonna pulse this and clean these little itty bitty tiny jets out on the top. That's the hope. It's been a while since I've used this, and regulating this thing can be pretty hard. It's not an easy task to do this, but let me see if I can get a good hold on it. I will add a little bit of fluid through it like that. Oops, a little too fast. Filled her up a little too quick, gotta make a good seal. Okay, so the idea is just to get a little bit going at a time. Light sprays, pulse, there it is. You can see it misting. That's what we want. We want it to mist. Okay. So that lets me know the fuel injector is working properly and it's clean. I'll do it again lightly. You can see it spraying out now. There you go. A lot of fluid buildup in there. So, okay. Well, this is positively clean now. We know it's clean because it's pulsing perfectly. So I know the fuel injector now is in good shape. I've got it pulsing really, really well. So now if we're having another problem with the bike, it's going to be sensor related, because I know that this is getting proper fuel. Okay? We know for a fact this is getting proper fuel. We know that it's also kicking proper fuel, so